So this is the template that I made for the water box. 15 by 20 by 8. So gives me about 39 liters, which should be more than enough, I believe. Got started cutting out, and I got the top or the bottom there. So yeah, I'll just keep cutting away here and then can get to welding. So that's all the pieces cut out. I'm going to use this gasket as a template to drill and mark the holes for this lid. So I'll get that cut out and drilled. So there's everything marked and center punched. I'm just going to drill a hole in the inside of this and then I can cut around it. And there you have it. There's my ice box from start to finish.